hemprek achunji aphan puthot ke chisik ke dolo singrum aphan kengkam chojorlo pasine lening aronglo apor penangan damiglo nili thi hek pen hemprek kachisong along inut abang phu ahin pen damtang nili experience of puthak arjab si non prang pima claim jang ji pusi nili ke matha la sa puthak thi hek pen nili ning je kantung la bang ke kopini asong ahin pen ke ning je kali kopini party ahin pen ning je kali nili jungjung nili ning aklong pen ke matha puthak si nili ning je kantung do ahuti si 1986 ahut la so apranta hemprek ke hang dolo stay 1986 pen niligi theklong bek hala so ahut hemprek ke hang song atum si hemprek hang chot council atum MLA atum ba established political dispensation atum abangke hemprek ninghange pupesi pupo atum hemprek aputa ke ningye hai he laso apranta 86 apranga phase ta 60 jahut APHLC kadukave klemra prabhura hut Karbi Anglong NC Hills Khasi Jaintia Garo Mizo kadukave klemra raba hutta Karbi Anglong along hemprek ke hanga party do asong do lapen hal so hutta majority ke ruling atum MLA atum MP atum bakke hemprek kroi krek to non banke situation fracture non bang Karbi Anglong Dima Hasao along hemprek hanghe asong abedlo party tinta asong tinta social noy political noy MLA MP MSC ex MLA MP kado kave ke hemprek ke non sikro sarlo hemprek hanghe asong si abdel hemprek anu tin phan asong tinta hemprek ke hanglo tante lawangsu a change ke chelar phak a situation advantage ke tum deng thek nang po non ke hemprek nang ne ba hemprek ke hang tum phan ke chidan labang ke ave non ba ke competition si do komane Mr. EC party A kwal lama hang
excuse me sir kapre khay dum ta go about Assamese kale the English ni kon de sunne meja sure choneri lo
ding furer policy okay I will be there is a change of situations prior to 96 there is a one phase that is 1986 which is continuing even now and there is another phase right from 1960 onwards and when we all, the Hill people, moved together under the leadership of that time APHLC, leadership of Captain Williamson Sangma and all. Both these phases of movement, there were two distinct groups. One group was autonomous or separate state or hill state or autonomous state, and another group they opposed it. Particularly when in 1986, when we started, then we supported, we moved for autonomous state, but then that time, the political dispensation, whether it is in the council or state government or member of parliament, they opposed it. So also the previous time in late 60s movement by APHLC. But now situation has changed. There is no organization in Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao, no political parties there in Karbi Anglong and Dima Hasao which do not demand autonomous state. Everybody wants autonomous state now. This is a changed situations. and we must take advantage of these situations. Lasi nili kang sai lo theklong lo non abake ilitum ke hemprek aphanji hangbom lo autonomous state sita Assam along penagan demando isi abake 6 community atum Ahum Kus Rajdongsi Adivasi atum cheklong latum abake ST hangbom lo ba ilitum ta hemprek hangbom lo boro atum ta hemprek hangbom lo hemprek ke hang asong abake Assam along jasimet ilitum pen boro atum lo boro atum abake non amak lan ke ingtangte sita latum arlo labangke hemprek aphan latum ke ne chori ido ta as a case study tum study na ahum atum jituni ke ST hangbom latum along abake MLA kali central minister tagado MP kon done ruling along ta dolo opposition along ta dolo opposition deputy leader of the opposition abake methanga mata ahum community lo nili amen pupelo lang to anutine ga sinilo athe da abake unti ke nili amen avoid po lasi ahum community has got strong representative in the parliament. In the ruling dispensation, they are ministers. In the opposition, they are deputy leader of the opposition. There are so many MLAs. Even in the past, they were chief minister of Assam twice or thrice. And most of the government, most of the time, they say that we are for giving ST hills, we are in favor of giving ST to the 6th community. But then nothing has materialized. In spite of having central ministers, leader of oppositions, dozens of MLAs, and strong communities controlling entire Upper Assam, they are not demanding state. They are simply demanding inclusion in the ST list. And all major political parties have in their manifesto written that they are for it. But it has not materialized. Pachunune